Hi, welcome to geometry. We'll be your three teachers. I'm Miss Ernst,
Coach Hires,
Coach Purcell.
and we all teach geometry. You'll either have one or maybe even two of us. I'm Miss Ernst, and I have a couple of passions. One is animals. I rescue animals. I have about 9 dogs, 3 cats, a turtle, and a couple of birds. And I also enjoy music.
I'm Coach Hires. I like sports and all outdoor activities. I've been working at Long County High School for 2 years and been teaching for 4. And I'll work with the basketball team.
I'm Coach Purcell. This is my second year here at Long County High School. I'm excited to be back, excited for the upcoming school year. I'm excited to help the students any way possible. Outside of the classroom, I'll be helping coach baseball and football.
Some of the supplies that you'll need this year are the pencil, paper, dry erase, and probably some earbuds.
To be successful, you're going to need to be on time, you need to be organized, and you need to stay focused and be diligent on your work.
If you get stuck, just ask for help. We're here for you. Asking for help isn't giving up, said the horse. It's refusing to give up. Welcome back to school.